Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to get views as a small YouTuber or even a new YouTuber. If you like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification button for more great content so you don't miss out. Without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do, starting now on YouTube, is the SEO, which is Search Engine Optimization. And I'm going to break it down into three things. The first one is your title. Your title is the way that the YouTube algorithm picks up what your video is about. Your description. Now, that's a little bit more different. Now, how do you actually make your description in the way that YouTube algorithm picks it up? Well, simply put, you put your title name, like for me, it would be how to get views as a small YouTuber in the description. Plus, you might see that in the description of this video. I'm not really a good description, but I'm that good. And then your tags. And those are really not important anymore like they used to be, but they're so useful for small YouTubers or new YouTubers. So I would recommend to use them. And all of this is called metadata. And this helps YouTube show your videos to the right people. Which of course makes it easier to get more subscribers and even more views. Now if you want to learn how to niche down to actually get your target audience, watch this video coming up and I will show you how just to do that. Also, if you like this video, smash that like button and also be sure to subscribe. That is all. Have a great day.